Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta hotel style. First, focus on selecting the finest ingredients, as quality truly makes a difference. Next, master the art of cooking pasta to a perfect al dente, ensuring it retains a slight bite. We'll also cover how to properly emulsify your sauce, creating a luxurious, restaurant-quality finish that clings beautifully to every strand. Finally, learn to garnish for an elegant presentation. To begin, always opt for high-quality pasta, ideally bronze die cut, which holds sauce better. Fresh, seasonal vegetables and vibrant herbs are crucial for bright flavors. Don't skimp on a good extra virgin olive oil and freshly grated, aged Parmesan cheese. Remember, mise en place is key. Have all your ingredients prepped and ready before you even turn on the stove. This ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, for the cooking. Use a large pot of vigorously boiling water, generously salted. It should taste like the sea. Cook your pasta until it's firm to the bite, or al dente. While the pasta cooks, gently sauté your aromatics in olive oil to build a flavorful base for your sauce. Finally, combine the cooked pasta directly into the sauce, adding a splash of starchy pasta water to create a beautiful, cohesive emulsion. For the grand finale, toss your pasta vigorously with the sauce to ensure every piece is perfectly coated. Stir in fresh herbs, like basil or parsley, and a final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil for brightness. Finish each serving with a generous grating of fresh Parmesan cheese. Serve your hotel-style pasta immediately on warm plates to maintain its ideal temperature and flavor. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.